Okay, so we'll take a little bit of a deviation from the Western and research type of uh, aspect of this course into the Chinese system, since we already talked about the circadian rhythm. So the Chinese system has something similar to the circadian rhythm. Is called body clock cycle. In the body clock cycle, the theory goes as such: there are 24 hours in a day, and there are 12 organ systems in the body: lung, large intestine, stomach, and spleen, and others. Each of those organ systems is in charge of the body for 2 hours of the day. So every 2 hours there is an organ system that is in charge of running the energy of the body. Again, 12 hours, 12 organ systems, 2 hours per organ system. And so what happens during that particular time, the organ system is at this peak of energy and is supposed to lead the body forward, performing several functions. If we experience a weakness, if you experience sluggishness, in case of sleep, if we wake up in the middle of the night, we'll take a look at what organ system is in charge at a particular time, and it will be like the organ system that is in need of help. For example, people waking up between 1 and 3 a.m. in the morning, that points to a liver imbalance, liver and wood. Anytime between 3 and 5 in the morning, that points to a lung. Difficulties falling asleep here around 11 and 1, or having vivid dreams, that points to gallbladder, that kind of stuff. So there are 12 organ systems, there are 5 elements. We'll cover those later, and I'll give you tips and things how you can use some of those organ systems and specifically elements and points, how to address, assess and address the energy so you can start helping those organ system function better. Again, I have a whole course that focuses on elements and points and qigong movements, specifically focusing on the 5 elements, so you can look it up. But for this specific course, sleep related, that's how you use the body clock cycle. You wake up in the middle of the night, that generally points to a wood imbalance. There are, again, 5 elements. There are 2 organ systems per element. In the case of the 5, there are 4, but that's an exception. And then you see what's going on at that particular time. Maybe see if there are things that you can change and modify. As again, we cover this in the healthy habits of previous lectures.